Alright guys, welcome to the channel. So this is my engine C223 from Isuzu Trooper. It's 2.2 cubic cc. So this is the teardown. Then I will show you some of the parts here that I already pull out. And why I did that, because this engine, it doesn't have any problem, but I tear it down because I got a knocking sound and clicking sound on the engine, so that's why I tear it down. And why is that? Because my feeding line from the turbo, it snapped 3 times. So if you see at this one, this is the conrod bearing, if you can see it. So it spun, right? So only this is the problem. The rest is fine. You can see the main bearing is alright. There's no scratches, there's no worn up or whatsoever. And even the main bearing cap here, everything is just fine. So I'm going to show you guys everything about this rebuild, but I'm going to do it by parts. All right, I'm not be able to do the whole process just in one video. But the thing is, this is the C223T Isuzu Trooper engine. All right, so this is the oil pan, the head covers, and there is a lot of going on and work that I need to do. I'm going to pot this head up, and I'm going to tweak the VE palm right here to make more performance out of it. So I want to show you bits by bits, and of course in future videos that I'm going to show you guys how am I going to put it all together back. And yep, oh shoot, and I don't want to like mess everything up and mix things up with the parts. For now, I just want you to see all of this part that I pull from this engine. So if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the button, and you will get the latest information and the latest video about this build. All right, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.